YouTube, I'm gonna help y'all out. I'm gonna help y'all out. Jail slides. Look at this. Look at this, man. Look. I wear a size 12 in everything. This is a size 12, and boy, they are close. Man. Let me explain. What is up, YouTube? Alright, as you can see, the Yeezy slide, they do run very small. And I wear a size 12 in everything. So like all my V2s, all my 350s, I get a size 12. Sometimes they are very tight. I mean, as soon as I put them on brand new, they're very tight. So I take out the insole in those, and it's kind of just like a fix for me. It takes it from where I maybe need a 12.5. If I take out the insole, I'm straight with the size 12. So, and all my Jordans, size 12. I've just been a size 12 in everything. Like, that's just how it is. I don't like to go up and down. What can I say? So the original 350, I actually copped in an 11.5 because these do run big, and I did not like that. So I copped these in an 11.5. So I don't fluctuate much. This Yeezy slide fits very small. I would honestly need a 13. If I was to buy another pair for myself, it would be a 13. I had extra pairs, so I was like, I'll keep the size 12. I didn't have any 13s. So I'm gonna keep them, even though, as you saw, they're very tight. It's pretty much like an even fit. Like, there's no separation there. It's a small shoe. It's because they're made with so much material, and like you see the opening, it's just a bulky slide. It's a bulky slide. So that being said, it's rough. It's rough. So yeah, let me save you a couple $100. If you bought some and now they don't fit, you will have to go and try to sell them even, or then get your own size, but you're gonna probably come out with some money. So to save you the trouble, do go a size up. If you're normally a size 10, get an 11. If you're an 11.5, the half sizes are tough, because I don't want to tell you to go, if you're 11.5, get a 13. You should be good with the 12, but it will be kind of snug. So I will say, if you're like 11.5 and you wear a 12 sometimes, I would say you might want to get that 13. But if you're an 11.5, then you'll just get the 12. I hope that helps. Just trying to save y'all, man. Yeezy, always difficult, but we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.